Hey guys, I'm here with Clifford. I've known Clifford a long time. And Clifford, you've had bad credit before. How did bad credit really feel to have?
It doesn't feel too good because you can't go get money from the bank like you want to, so you got to go to loan companies with a high interest rate. You can't go buy cars. You got to buy here, pay here with a high interest rate. And there's no need looking for a nice house or something because you can't get one when you got bad credit.
So tell people how I met you. Where do we meet at?
We met at the laundromat. He's washing clothes and I wash some clothes. You know, two bachelors and things. We just trying to wash up some things, and we got to talking about the Lord, and he got to tell him about what he do, and I told him about what I do.
And I was really wanting to help Clifford, because I like helping people that help out youth. That's something real big in my heart. So I told Clifford I want to help him out, and when I told him, I could tell he was like, And so, was you skeptical about things?
Yeah, you're always skeptical about somebody just open up and say, hey, I want to do something for you. Because people in this day and time, they just don't help you like they used to because so many scams and things are going on. So you kind of a little iffy about this and iffy about that, So, you just kind of blow it off and keep moving.
So I invited you to my office. So you came to my office and tell people about how it was coming to the office. How was that experience?
Well, when I decided a day or so later, I said, let me go check him out, see what he's about. I wasn't really doing nothing, and so I went to his office, and he told me to come on in and everything. We shook hands, and we just kind of laughed and talked about the laundromat. So we prayed for a minute, and got busy with business about the credit.
And I told him, I said, there's nothing to worry about. We'll take care of that. So we took care of yours, and also at that time, you and Sharon were friends, but since then you've got married, and I was able to help both of your. So how do we help you do credit? How was it once we done it and all that? How was the experience?
Well, when we got everything lined out with my wife, that's my wife now, and everything, and me, I said we was able to get a nice home and a nice neighborhood. We was able to get some nice cars or whatever. Good interest rates. House
offers showing up in the mail, credit card offers.
Right, a house 3.6% interest rate on the house and everything. A good interest rate on Corvette and everything.
Your wife bought you a Corvette.
Wife bought me a Corvette Valentine's Day about 4 years ago.
Pretty red car, beautiful car.
Yeah, a beautiful, fully loaded, very nice. With good, if that's what you can do. When you got good credit, you can buy nice things for the ones that you love, and that things that they never had before or never thought they could get before. You can do special things for them.
Right. And I know you since 2009, 2008, 2009. Oh, yeah. You send people to me all the time. What is their experience with Landmark Credit?
Well, they always relate back to us and say, my credit is good or it's getting better and it's going up and some of them call and say, well, I bought me a house, or somebody say, I bought me a new Chevy truck, brand new Chevy truck,
Was that the one today that you told me about?
Yes, sir.
Brand new Chevy truck.
Yeah, brand new Chevy truck.
Good interest rate.
Good interest rate.
So, So folks, you heard it. I know Clifford for a long time. I love what he does for youth. It was my thing. I wanted to bless him when I met him. He didn't think it was like, but you see, you heard it from Cliff himself. And so we thank y'all for tuning in. Stay tuned. Watch the next videos. We got more coming up.